I love using these mini precision electric screwdrivers. I finally come across one that has it all in one. Arromax mini precision electric screwdriver. It's all of this in one case. It has the hex bits for building PCs. You want to go do up your stand, you have the right bit. Quality of this magnificent. You have a little LED screen. Pressing forward, it even shows you backwards. It tells you the screws going backwards. 5 settings for speed, nice and fast. And the whole thing is made of alloy. Look at all your bits. There's a little magnet in there that holds all your bits together. Extra long ones. Plug in your charger, it charges. How good is that? You have a magnetic pad on the back of your case so you do not lose them. Making this the absolute best mini precision screwdriver kit you can buy to date. The Arromax mini precision electric screwdriver. Gorgeous.